Yo, what's going on YouTube? Today is going to be an eventful day because I got invited to go check out the new 7th generation. My brother's playing Call of Duty in there. The new 7th generation Panigale V4 and I think the MV Agusta 300 Brutale, I think, or Brulette. I forget how to pronounce it, but tune in and I appreciate you guys for watching. New 2025 Panigale V4s. Sheesh. Got Joe.
Selling these puppies. We're getting ready to do his deposit right now. Traction control, electronic brake control, ABS. I mean, you fucking name it, they got it. Over 40 new sensors on this particular one.
Got a lean angle too.
Yeah, lean angles. I mean, it's all live readings. Extremely quick too. Then you can cycle through that. Let me see here.
Dude, the red and the carbon. I love how this is black, dude.
Oh, it's beautiful.
With the seat, all the carbon down here.
Yeah, so that's about 9,700 in carbon. Forged wheels. Ducati's actually making their own wheels.
Forged by
Ducati, designed by Ducati.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Swing arm cover, mud guard, tail section, frame guards, winglets, Zoma cap, carbon battery cover, carbon ducts.
Oh yeah, that's sick. That's aftermarket? Or not aftermarket,
yeah, it's all Ducati
after.
Corsa. Now you're probably thinking, Joel, why in the hell do you not have a front mud guard that's in carbon? They don't have an option just yet. This is also the first production model ever with the high pure.
What's that mean?
It's a brand new caliper. This is the closest rendition of a brake caliper that you can get to MotoGP.
Yo, that's crazy.
First ever bike with them. With the S model, so you get the electronic all-in suspension 3.0 instead of 2.0. Yeah, what up? So that's all
crazy.
new.
It's electronic too.
Yeah, it's all electronic, man.
The mirrors look good.
Now, if you come over here and take a look, I mean, we're not diving into specs and all that. I'm just throwing you shit off the top of my head. Now, if you look, usually you'll see like a quick shifter with a solenoid and all that, and wires, everything come out of it. If you look at this, there's no single solenoid anywhere. It's actually internally.
Yeah.
It's internal.
In the engine, or just oh damn?
It's sealed within the engine, so you don't get that sloppy gear shift, pedal feel, all that.
It's a 6-speed.
Yeah.
The singles, or the not the single sided swing arm. This swing arm looks good.
It does. It looks a lot better in person. Now, knowing Ducati, they're all performance oriented, then everything else comes after that. With the dual sided swing arm, it gives you 40% more rigidity. It's a no-brainer.
Yeah.
I mean,
you can't beat this.
It takes a little bit away, but like I said, once you start processing the bike in person,
dude, this is the bike.
Gas tank still underneath.
That's the gas tank?
Yeah. So,
wait, so this whole thing is a gas tank? So it goes down?
Starts from here. A lot of people don't know this either. Starts from here, then works its way down. Your battery, your ECM, everything's underneath here.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Yep. So
this thing is
battery
nasty.
and all that. Now everything has changed. Is brake, the positioning. The only thing that really stayed the same was the engine, but they changed the cam and the lobes on the engine.
So it's still 1103.
Yep.
The carbon is what's doing it for me.
Yeah, just shy of an exhaust, man. This is
pretty fully spec'd out.
Yeah. Put some rear spools on it. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you.
Dude, this thing is nasty.
Now it even has like, the BMWs have like a soft limiter when you start them up and get them warmed up. This one will do the same thing.
That's it. That's what that is?
Underneath here, the Desmos DC instead of the two individuals like the 6th generation.
It sounds good, even though it's stock. Yeah. Like, those ones are cheap.
600 on it before you know it.
These aftermarket?
They are. So we put those on there as well. Yes, it is. Regular barrel, just regular carbon fiber. Every spoke is forged.
How is it like fused? Oh, so the whole wheel is carbon fiber.
Technically, it's a full carbon wheel, but the barrel is regular. I think it's 4x4 twill or 2x2. Then the blades or the spokes, they're all forged carbon fiber with the billet anodized gold hide.
What even is this?
This is a MV Agusta Brutale Double R Assen edition. So they only made 300 of these in the entire world. This is number 177 out of 300.
Oh, so they're actually like numbered.
Yeah, if you look right here. So 177 out of 300. All hand stitched. Everything's done by hand. Hand painted, hand sanded, buffed by hand. All the carbon's buffed by hand. This little placard here
Pagani, bro,
is the gentleman that essentially assembled the bike from the marriage in between the engine and subframe through paint, quality control, production, you name it. That guy stood with it. Now it's got a bunch of matte carbon fiber and obviously gloss carbon, but this one also has the forged internals. So your connecting rods for your pistons are billet aluminum, or I'm sorry, titanium.
how much is this?
This one here, you're about 50.
That's not like for what it is though, dude.
Oh,
like
and
this thing is sick.
Check this out. Now this doesn't stop there.
Look at the chain on it. Look at the exhaust on these. I'm MV Agustas. These things are getting crazy, but dude, this is like Pagani level detail. Like the Ducati's nice. This takes it to a whole new level. Oh, he bringing some boxes over. But yeah, this is sick. Look at that, dude.
This is what I absolutely love about this bike and the MV.
The blue and gold is so nice. That's sick. I don't know what it is, but that's sick.
It's just sick, right?
Is it a box? Oh, whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
Little Christmas present.
Pagani-esque, if you will. So this is, and like I said, this is what I love about MV Agusta. If you wanted that premium, like almost tailor-made experience without waiting 4 years for a bike, this is it.
Dude, what the heck?
So essentially what this is, you get a beautiful plaque, number 177 out of 300. Now the cool thing is here,
The speed key?
I
Or what is
wish.
that?
So this essentially shows you from initial production all the way through the final end of getting the check mark and completion.
Oh, so it's like an SD video card.
Exactly.
That's
so them assembling the bike, torquing everything down, checking everything, all that's on this key.
That's sick.
And it's not a generic key like, oh, we put a RS model together, we'll give it. No, it's actually that bike. They'll show you it's number 177 out of 300. Here, carbon passenger seat cowl cover.
Oh, so it'll go on this?
So full
Dude,
carbon.
look at that. That's paint.
Yeah, it's all hand done.
Dude, this thing is nasty, bro.
Right?
So this is all hand painted.
Yeah, all hand painted.
Dude, look at that.
Hand lacquer, sanded, buffed. Everything is 100% done by hand.
MV Agustas, they're nice. Dude, that gold chain is with the blue.
You got a secondary layer here.
Oh, you got another layer?
Yep, look at these levers.
There's billet aluminum.
Yep. Get you a bike cover here.
They weigh nothing.
Yeah, and they look sweet.
Yeah.
These are just some screws. Nothing crazy.
Look at that. That's sick, dude.
Pretty cool, huh?
Stock ones.
Yeah, and it's all proprietary stuff. Other than the mode controller and the wires coming out of that mode controller here, that's the only KTM product on this entire bike. Everything else is proprietary and made by MV Agusta.
That's sweet.
But they do these with like most of their special bikes.
That box is cool. Like,
Dude.
that's like, really like Pagani does stuff like
Yeah.
that. And that box is sweet looking.
Yeah. did it right.
And it comes with a bike cover too? Is that what that is? That's
bike
nice.
cover, different levers. That's sweet for sure.
The exhaust is so sick.
Yeah, and they make a aero exhaust for these as well. It's about $3,500.
Cathedral of Speed.
And then, like when you cycle the key, it'll do a parameter check on the battery and the ECM prior to letting you start it, just to make sure everything's good to go.
Yo, and that's gonna do it for this video. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you can, like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your friends. I want to thank Mosites Motorsports and Joel up at Mosites for allowing me to come check out the brand new 2025 V4s and the MV Agusta Assen. Crazy bikes, especially the MV Agusta, crazy detail and everything. But that's gonna do it for this video. I got a big ZR1 update coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And with that, I'm out.